I'm going to start this recording because today is going to be pretty quick. There's no, you idiots might want to take a trade because there's PPI in retail sales and unemployment claims, but you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red folders today. I'm not trading that shit at all. So we're going to do a recap of what happened yesterday. Again, bro, I don't know what it is. This price action has just been god awful. Like pre-market price action has been way, way better compared to, like, look at this, dude. Like, I don't know. There's just not much to do within here, but we'll go over what happened on ES. So ES came down. We swept out these previous hourly lows. You're gonna kill yourself if I don't trade today. Nibba, look at this shit. Yeah, start choosing the bridge right now, bro. Anyways, right here we have this hourly low, and then we also marked out these 15-minute lows over here. But again, like, look what price did. We came down, we swept out these lows, and then just like the most sideways, the most chop central ass movement. And then boom, we get this flash news event, which is probably what we were waiting for, that 30-year bond auction. Boom, that comes out right here. Okay, we finally get a liquidity sweep, and then price moves higher. But again, this is later into market open, after news comes out, just low quality ass trades. Okay, so ES, again, I didn't trade shit yesterday. I'm not trading shit today. It's kind of annoying, but it's like, fuck, man. Like, when market doesn't give you opportunity to trade, you shouldn't. And as we can see, like, it was in our best interest to not trade yesterday. All right, so with that being said, that's ES. Let's go over NASDAQ now. NASDAQ, we opened, shit the bed, fell into these 15-minute and hourly lows right here. Okay, however, we were bearish on both the 4-hour prior to breaking structure, okay, or after breaking structure, and the hourly. Okay, so we were looking more for shorts, all right? And again, similar situation here. There's just not much that you can do with this type of price action, right? Maybe you guys can be a 1-minute warrior and get on there and try and trade like this. Are we serious with this? Or this? Are we serious with that? There's just not much to do on that. So for me personally, the higher time frames have been giving us bullshit, and the higher time frames are the clearest time frames to trade on. And if this is what price is giving us, then I would prefer to be out of the market. Okay, so that covers NASDAQ. Now moving it on into today, we had PPI come out today. All right. And the main thing that we want to look for, first of all, PPI already came out. On NASDAQ, again, the past couple weeks have been horrible for price action, but we'll still mark this up. We had a break of structure to the upside on the 4-hour. We're remaining bullish on the hourly. We just recently swept out these hourly lows, okay? So the 4-hour and the hourly are in line, okay? We just recently got a break of structure to the upside. Boom, on the 5-minute. On a regular trading day, this shit would be honestly decent action. This shit would honestly be like one of the few days that I would be able to trade. Okay, go ahead and boom, let's mark out market open right here. Okay, boom, target these highs. Okay, and then from there we can continue. Targeting all these areas. Okay, the only thing that I would essentially be waiting for on this would be my third confluence. So whether that's a fair value gap, whether that's this order block that caused the leg down, whether it's a breaker, I need that last confluence for me to quote get into this like hypothetical trade that we just drafted up. The 4 hours bullish, the hourly's bullish. We see the sweep, we see a 5-minute break, and now all that I would be looking for would be that last confluence and then rejection out of that confluence for price to go higher. Okay, so that's NASDAQ, and again, today seems like one of the few price action days that's giving us few days that's giving us decent price action. Let's move into S&P now. S&P, similar situation. We broke structure to the upside on the 4 hour, so we're bullish 4 hour bias. Same situation on S&P. We sweep out, boom, these hourly lows. We can scale into the 5-minute. What are we looking for? A 5-minute break of structure, okay? This is yet to happen, okay? So we're looking to see if we can break these 5-minute highs, and then from there, same thing. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a confluence. I'm looking for price, okay, to give me either a fair value gap, order block, breaker, obviously followed by a big structure on this, okay? And then from there, we can target draws of liquidity. Boom, these hourly highs. Boom, all-time highs. Okay, that's what I would be looking for on the S&P. Would you want that confluence on the 5-minute or the 1-minute? 5-minute. So here on NASDAQ, something that we could see would be like a boom, retrace into equilibrium if we end up forming this down candle. Okay, even though equilibrium is like probably like the smallest and lowest confluence that we could use. Okay. Yes, we're yet to break structure to the upside, so we would have to wait for that to happen. Okay, and again, I'm not trading today. There's really not much of a reason for me to stay on here because if there's no trades to take, I would much rather just lay out my bias like I just did and then do a recap with you guys tomorrow or tonight and cover out, okay, we did this, let's see how our bias played out, versus like most of the time, if I am looking to trade like all the other days, I'm going to be actively on the charts and actually seeking shit out. Unfortunately for us, the past couple of weeks have just been like the worst trading situation ever, but you know, it is what it is. One more thing that we can cover before I dip out and post this video to the Discord for the people that missed it. We can cover Bitcoin super quick. So again, like I said yesterday, Bitcoin, we closed above all-time highs finally. Okay, we had a quick boom, retest of previous all-time highs and then rally right back up. Again, the main thing that we would be looking for would be a weekly close above all-time highs and then a monthly boom, close and hold above all-time highs in 17 days. Okay, so we're looking for a weekly close, then a monthly close, then close out of that. Okay, and yeah, that pretty much is in sorts everything. All right. We can look at Ethereum, same thing. This is the next draw right here, these highs right here. Okay, so I would like to see price draw up towards there. If we do see price starting to rotate back down, my guess is it would, boom, retrace right into this area. I don't really see us going any lower than here. Potential at around like 3.25K. Okay, but honestly, main first area would be boom, 3.5. Okay, and then on Bitcoin, first area would be 69. Pause. Okay, so with that being said, I'll get this uploaded to you guys, posted on Discord. Let's see how the bias plays out. We can check super duper quick how it's looking. ES, yep, a little bit down on this. NASDAQ looks like it is coming into this equilibrium area. Okay, so we'll see how that bias plays out. We'll see how it reacts off this liquidity sweep. And we'll go from there. All right, boys? I appreciate y'all. Tomorrow, hopefully we can get some fucking trades in. We have a lot of news that we actually are able to trade on. So we might have our first trade in like a month tomorrow, which would be awesome. Like, because again, like I know you guys want to trade. I want to trade as well. I want to make some freaking money, but price action just has not been supporting that as of recently. So that being said, I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys tomorrow or tonight when I upload this recap. Peace out.